Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Real Will here with another trading video, guys. This is the start of the new week. Well, we got about 15 minutes until the market opens. I am waiting on my funded account that I paid on Friday. It's supposed to take 1 to 2 business days. Normally, I get it Sunday around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock p.m. So we're going to see, and hopefully I can get my funded account so I can start placing these trades. But here are a few things that I am doing differently on my funded account, right? And I see the comments. The first thing is I will be looking for more of a 1 or 2 risk to reward. And then I will take partials, I don't want to take all the profits. I love to allow my profits to run. And I think that is, that can be an issue for me because I am technically a swing trader by heart. I can literally, if this was not a prop firm, I can literally hold my trades for 2-3 days, literally. Probably a whole week if I wanted to. But because this is in the season, not Forex, I decide not to do that. But so I love to take profit at a key area, at a resistance, at a support level, which I will show you on the charts. Because I am going to do 2 trade breakdowns this week that you can be looking to enter if you trade Dow Jones or Platinum. And if you don't trade Platinum, I recommend that you trade Platinum. Definitely, if you are a trend line person and love support and resistance, Platinum is so smooth. Listen, the key is try not to be like everybody else. You don't have to trade ES. You don't have to trade NASDAQ. There's a lot more products out there that you can trade. Be you. Dow Jones is perfect. Platinum is perfect. You don't got to trade them. I don't care. But I'm just trying to give you a hint, So that's number 1. 1 or 2. Support and resistance. Another key thing this week, guys, I focus on trend trading. I am no longer, I ain't gonna say no longer unless I see a clean setup, but 90% of the chance I am only trading Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays. Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Why? Why, Real Will? Because unless news, the market can do whatever it want to do. Unless news come into play, normally Monday, Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday is trend trading. And then you will start seeing reversals around Wednesday and Thursday, midweek. And that is why a lot of us lose. I didn't lose. I can create a video and go back to how I started and how I got funded, 150K before losing my last one. You will see that I won all my trades on Monday, Tuesday, or Friday. So why not just trade those days? Why not just trade 3 days out the week and maybe trade a Wednesday or a Thursday, but not both? Probably a Thursday because Wednesday I feel like that will consolidate and then go to reversal trend. So, but use those days for like low risk, like literally make $200 so you can do your 5 days, $200. That's it, and be done. So we are gonna take you. I am not we. There's nobody else but me and God. But I am gonna take you to the charts and show you a few breakdown trades or setups that I'm looking at this week. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. So we are here. I already have my setups and what I'm looking at, but I will delete everything for you all. I don't care because I know how to, I know what I'm looking for. So it don't really matter. So let me delete all this stuff for y'all. This is a 4-hour. I love trading on an hour, 30 minutes, in the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, in an hour, guys. The 4-hour, I just look at the bigger picture like, most people do. Look at the bigger zones. But the details are in the lower time frames. And I think that's why a lot of people love the 5 minutes, the 1 minute, 2 minute, 15 minutes, because it's the details that counts, right? So we are on Platinum, guys. I'm trying to tell y'all, Platinum is beautiful. So we can see clearly that we are, I'm going to say, a downtrend right now. But we didn't break this low this area right here. So technically, we still are in a bearish trend on a 4-hour. So we can be seeing sales, right? Technically, we can see sales going. So, and it broke the trend line too. So we're literally overall bullish, but we gonna be looking for sales. So what will I do? I'm drop down to the hour. Create my zones. So we got this zone up here. I like a nice, decent size zones, not just the wick and the end of the body, you know. And we right here, something like this. So this is the zone we are in right now. So we got what? Imbalance in this area right here. Ezekiel, I'm recording. You talking, son. You got to go. Stay in or stay out. Imbalance right there, guys. So what I like to do is there's a zone right here. All right. So I'll drop down to the 30 or 15, my bad, 15. And then I create a zone right here. Boom. That's it, right? So you like, where Will? What do we do? What do we do? Now I know. I just erase the hour. Get my 15-minute zones in. We go here. All right, boom. So what you can do, you don't have to, but I'll throw a fib right here, right? Like I said, I don't trade off of fibs, but I like to see where it can actually potentially retrace to. So we got A, B. It don't have to respect it. It can continue to drop. So, yeah, you can create your zones however you want on the 30 minutes, on the 15 minutes. It don't matter. Whatever you feel comfortable doing. That is all that matters. All right, but the key thing right here, right, is a trend line break. You see that? Trend line break. I love trend line breaks. So what could happen? What could happen? We could head up. Break through here. Boom. It's the 15-minute time frame, guys. Oh, it's an hour time frame, but this right here is the 15 minutes. So let me drop down to the 15 minutes so y'all can see. All right. All right, we're on the 15 minutes. So we already marked up our charts for the higher time frame. Hopefully it makes sense. We can look for a push, back down, and back up to this zone. Because you got to remember, details matter. This is a area. This is an area. This is a resistance area or support area. But if it hold on, resistance up here, support down here, broke past the support. So if it come back up here and test and come back down, now that becoming resistance, y'all know. So we broke past this. Boom. Boom. We never got a retest on this zone. So I'm expecting it to come up here to retest that zone. If it retests that zone, remember, it's a downtrend right now, right? It broke the trend line. Boom. Really, on the hour, it broke the trend line there, and then it broke the trend line here on the 4 hours, right? So it's the 4 hour time frame. That's a little hour, so it could come back up here later on this week, next week, I don't know. So, but we're not focused on the 4 hour. So, Real Will, what are you saying? What I'm saying is we're looking for sales. And I can be wrong. So that's why you wait until a certain time, 10 o'clock, 10 p.m., 11 p.m., start looking at your charts, right? Before London session or during London session. If we can get a pushback to the zone, we can be looking for sales. So Monday it can sell, Tuesday it can sell, right? So those are the trades I'd be looking for. Monday and Tuesday for sales. Wednesday, Thursday, we can potentially look like this. Say it just came up here, right? We put our stop loss above the 61, whatever. Came down, boom, 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 boom. Whatever, certain days, it's Monday, boom. We break past that, right? Because look, you still got this. So we still got this 4-hour zone right here. And that is what? Point, take profit 2. So it can come straight down here, boom, and then start shooting back up, something like this on Wednesday. Now it's consolidated, and then come back up here Wednesday. Wednesday go up. I'm just making up, not making up some stuff. I'm just showing y'all what could happen, because you do got this imbalance up here, right? It can come up here and then start dropping again, you know. So we don't know what the market can, you know, do, but just follow the trend. That's the trade I'm looking for on Platinum is sales, but I'm not gonna look until it hit around this zone right here. So what I like to do is put my alerts on. Alert. Alert for this zone, just in case. Now, what happens if it don't go up? We put alert right here. Because if it breaks past that, we look for a retracement. Or not retracement, but a retest. Boom. Back down here. So we good anywhere it go. We just got to be patient and be more patient. That's it. Right? Boom. That's what I'm looking like for Platinum. I'm looking for buys up. I'm not getting in no buys, but I'm looking for a nice retracement back up to one of these zones. Maybe 38 is the zone, and then I put my stop loss right here. But if it closes on the 38%, then we're looking for this zone to get touched 50 or in between 61. Or it can go all the way back up here and touch this trend line. We don't know. That's why you got to be patient. The market can do whatever the market want to do. All right? All right. Now, we're looking at this. This is Dow Jones. I don't want to make this video long, but look at this imbalance right here, guys. That's a crazy imbalance that needs to be filled. And we are technically on a sell. Selling right now, guys. On a 15-minute selling. So let's go to the hour. Mark up our zones. This is clean. This is clean. This is clean. But remember, details matter. Don't forget this zone right here, guys. Don't forget it. Details matter. But you also broke past this level. So we could come back up here, test this zone at the 4,000s mark, and head back down. The market is open now. You see what I'm saying? And head back down. So if we drop down to the 15 or 30, let's see if we can get trend line. Trend line break some way, somehow. We got a trend line break right here. You see that? You see that? Clean. So Dow Jones can be looking for sales Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, it can be looking for buys. Or it can be the opposite. Buys Monday and Tuesday, which I highly doubt. I think he's going to come up here and then come back down. But this is where the reversals traders lose. They be looking for buys, right? So they're like, oh, I'm taking it up here because we might go up in this area right here, but then they end up losing, right? And now we overtrade. Now we overtrade. Now we try to get our money back. Just be patient, guys, and just trade the trend. That's it. Trade the trend. If you want to wait till Wednesday and Thursday and be reversal traders, wait until Wednesday and Thursday. Boom, point blank. So this is what I'm looking at, guys. Nothing hard. This is all simple, guys. Everything is simple. Everything I'm trying to do is simple. Let me see if they sent me my freaking Top Step account. I still got my Top Step account, man. They've been delayed on that. They need to do something about it. But yeah, man. So this is what I don't know what else to show y'all. This is simple, guys. Come up here, and if it comes up here, we're gonna look for buy or sales. That might not happen till like 2 a.m. or something, 6 a.m. I like looking at Dow Jones around 6 a.m. 6 and 9, and just drop down 294. Like simple, guys, super simple. So make sure y'all like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. This is my setup. Dow Jones and Platinum. If you don't understand, I don't know how to teach you. Go find one of those gurus. I like to keep it real, raw, and transparent. Remember, guys, trend line break. A, B, C, D is going to have to come down here to A sooner or later. Sooner or later, it's going to come down here to A, guys. It's going to come down. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.